growing up in Michigan, I just remember with my grandpa, we had, he had a snowmobile, and I remember it was bright orange. I remember when we got this, he said, when I die, this is going to be your snowmobile. And so I took care of it. I made sure it was taken care of. But he would stack all the leaves and all of the corn stalks in the back, in the field. They would stack them all up so that we'd have a ramp to go over. And it was a big, back then, it seemed like a really big ramp. But I think it was a big ramp. And then the snow would just pile up on it, and we would run that snowmobile, over that. And I do remember just waiting for winter for that. And because the snow is so wet, we used to build tunnels, and they don't collapse. And I freak out today if my grandkids were building tunnels. But we would build all those tunnels and have fun with that in the winter. And my mom and dad and I would go, we belonged to a snowmobile club. So we would go snowmobiling, with the snowmobile club. And I always thought that was fun. And it was great because I was mushed in between my mom and dad. My dad was driving, and my mom was in the back, and I was smushed in between them, and I couldn't see anything, but I was warm. And I just remember, that was a really fun time. And, in the summer, we were always riding our bikes. I was making mud pies. I had picnics out on our front lawn with all of my stuffed animals. And, we were just always playing. And I always remember getting $1 from my Uncle Darcy, and we could ride 2 or 3 blocks over to Gold's Pharmacy and get 100 pieces of candy with $1. And we thought that was the coolest thing. And we would ride back with the bag all rolled up in our banana seat bikes and things like that. And it was just an exciting time. And so summer was really fun, for being able to do that.